Colin, how much do you love your yogurt? I love my yogurt. You get into your yogurt? Did you dip your french fry in your yogurt? Yogurt is so yummy. Dog ball's gonna lick your fingers. Is that good chicken? Good chicken. Colin, where's your juice? Can you say juice? Juice? Juice. Is it yummy? Drink your juice. I love my juice. Can you say messy? Messy? Say messy. Nuh-uh. Dip in your yogurt. Chicken and yogurt. Yum, yum. Can't get my hand on my yogurt. Oh. Oh, there's my chicken.